Measuring tools. One of the events at the Winter Carnival is called Hit the Target. Students stand at various distances from a wastebasket and get 10 chances to toss a penny into the basket. The number of pennies that land in the basket are counted for each distance. This activity suggests the following problem. Does the distance from the wastebasket affect the number of pennies that go in the basket? To collect data for this problem, you'll need to perform this experiment. Because you'll be standing at various distances from the wastebasket, you'll need to use measuring tools, such as a measuring tape or a meter stick, to measure your distance from the basket. And then you can go ahead and start throwing pennies. Be sure that you're recording whether or not it was a hit or a miss, and the distance you were away when you threw it. Scientific probes in the Internet. Mary and Jason are running the hot chocolate stand at the Winter Carnival. They are in charge of boiling water for the hot chocolate. Mary wonders what the temperature of the water is each minute while it is being heated. Jason suggests that they use a scientific probe to record the temperature of water each minute. He suggests a thermometer. Mary suggests that they look on the Internet. How could Mary and Jason find this information on the Internet? How would you go about finding the information on the Internet? Go ahead and write down a solution to this. When you're ready, come back and check out our answer with an exciting link.